There's a never dull moment in Hinabizawa with Keiichi and his friends. Here is the best way to approach the Higurashi franchise. The Higurashi franchise is a mystery box that explores the various mindsets of its characters and it slowly reaches the underlying truth behind Hinamizawa, generally repeating the same time frame around June 1983. It uses the paranoid behind these characters to mask the events that unfold slowly into the anime. Since the initial release of the first season, the franchise has grown to include many seasons and OVAs. With a new Higurashi series currently airing, let's unpack how this approach of this horror-filled anime timeline is. When it comes to first experiencing Higurashi, there isn't a better starting point than the original series. Adapted in 2006 by Studio Dean, this 26-episode series focuses on horror that develops across multiple smaller timelines. The name is Higurashi no Naku Koro ni. That's where you should start watching the Higurashi franchise. While the first chapter is disjointed from the rest, these roughly 4 to 5 episode mini arcs tie into each other despite being separate universes. Across these scenarios, Keiichi and his collection of friends find themselves facing a number of horrific threats, whether they be from outside their selective friend group or within. They all aim to survive until the timeline repeats again. Across this show, a number of theories are posted as to how this phenomenon occurs, including scientific and spiritual causes, all important pieces of the puzzle. After that, the series that you should watch is Higurashi no Naku Koro ni Special, Nekogoroshi Hen. The OVA starts off light enough, sharing some fan services as of all the members of the game club parade around Hinamizawa in costume. While they wander around, they come across abandoned section of the village. The mystery is perfect to watch after the first season, considering it offers hints towards one of the first season's mystery. And after completing this OVA part, you can watch Higurashi no Naku Koro ni Kai. Higurashi's second season fully unravels the first season's mystery. While certain characters have been shown to kill others through the various timelines, there is a connecting thread that brings all of these individual pieces together. Through this season, the truth behind current incident and cases from year prior are uncovered. On the top of that, this season introduces a key element to the nature of why the series repeats different scenarios of the same time period. After that, you should watch Higurashi no Naku Koro ni Rei. The third season of Higurashi contains 5 episodes that pick up after regular cycle of June 1983 is finally broken. While Rika and her other friends can finally enjoy some semblance of peace in their new world, Rika ends up having to overcome one final trial. While the first and the last episodes are crammed with excess fan services, the middle episodes tie together the loose ends. The search for the perfect timeline is ultimately successful. However, until that point, the grief that accumulates from the previous scenarios is never properly cared for. After watching this, you should watch Higurashi no Naku Koro ni Kaku. Outbreak. This entry deviates from Higurashi traditional time loops. In this alternate world, Hinamizawa faces the threat of disease entirely different from the norm. Parasites are turning the villages into potentially harmful individuals. Due to how much trouble brew over the almost hour-long OVA, it feels downright apocalypse. The entirety of village is brought into the fray with the situation that follows only a few can escape from. And after watching this, you should watch Higurashi no Naku Koro ni Go, which is currently airing right now. While the latest entry in the franchise was sold as a remake, watching it before the previous entire on the list is not the best way to approach it due to its new approach, since there are things like the introduction of the certain characters that is only seen in season 2. This entry is much different than how its predecessors carries themselves. Despite its differences, it seems to maintain the same type of mystery as the first season carried. I think till now only the 5 episodes of Higurashi no Naku Koro ni Go are released and they are upcoming every week, and I would 100% recommend you guys to watch this franchise one by one as I have listed. So yeah, that was the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10, top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories, etc. and many more anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.